Good morning. This is Greg McBride coming to you from Allendale, March 27th. We're going to be talking about the grain stocks report and acreage report on Friday. We've got looking for bearish numbers pretty well across the board, an increase in corn acreage, a slight decrease in bean acreage, but that's not going to make a huge difference. We will get everybody talking about China later on this week as Mnuchin and Lighthizer are in Beijing. But I think the big thing to be watching this week, this report, and then obviously we're going to shift and push out towards the weather as we go into April. So right now we know the issues that we've had in Nebraska and the Western Corn Belt. We need to make sure that we keep an eye on that. It's a little bit too early to get too bullish on weather because we don't typically see planting start until about April 15th. That's really the big kickoff. It's at this point that we'll start to look at delays. But I think right now the funds are pretty happy with the short position they've built up, so we don't need to necessarily worry too much about that. We did see yesterday that Egypt was in buying some U.S. wheat. That'll help things out. We did take yesterday off a little bit, but we are still on that slow grind higher. In other news with the livestock today, still nothing to really get too excited about on hogs. That uptrend is still intact. The problem that we're going to see this week is just kind of everybody waiting to see what the quarterly hogs and pigs report brings. And then on the cattle, we still have yet to see some cash bids for the week. We will see the Fed Cattle Exchange trade today. There's 500 head on that. Not huge, but at least it gives us an idea of where we're going to go with the initial cash bids once that is over. This is Greg McBride for Allendale. Thank you very much.